If you have lost access to your Wise account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Wise website. Go to the official Wise website using a secure internet connection. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button on the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page where you will enter your account details. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the process to reset your password or regain access to your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email for a password reset link from Wise. Follow the instructions provided in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Verify your identity. After resetting your password, you may be required to verify your identity. Follow any additional prompts or provide necessary documentation as requested by Wise to confirm your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.